In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to learn how to add a shadow to text using the built-in text properties. A shadow adds depth behind your text and makes it easier to read, especially when your background is bright, colorful, or moving. Let's begin. First, select your text layer on the timeline. Now go to the Properties panel on the right side. Inside the text settings, scroll down until you find the option called Shadow. Enable the shadow checkbox. As soon as you turn it on, a shadow will appear behind your text. Now let's adjust it properly. Opacity controls how strong the shadow looks. If you increase opacity, the shadow becomes darker and more visible. For a clean look, keep it moderate, not too harsh. Angle controls the direction of the shadow. You can rotate this to match your lighting style. A distance moves the shadow farther away from the text. A small distance keeps it subtle. A larger distance makes it more dramatic. Size controls how thick or expanded the shadow appears. Blur softens the shadow edges. Adding a little blur makes the shadow look natural instead of sharp and artificial. For professional results, keep the shadow soft and subtle. The goal is to improve readability, not overpower the text. This built-in shadow option is quick, clean, and perfect for titles, lower thirds, and captions. And that's it. You now know how to properly add and customize shadow for text in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.